Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to open the new iPhone 15 Pro. That's right, iPhone 15 Pro. And also we're also going to open a protector screen protector that protects your phone when you drop your phone accidentally. So it's like a extra glass protector. So that's a good thing. Also, I got the best case from AT&T, and it's pretty much amazing. So if you drop your phone like this, it's going to absorb the hitting thing. Also, we got the new charger for the iPhone 15 Pro, and I heard it's good. And I also heard that it's like a 20W charger faster, something like that. So cool. So we're going to open the iPhone 15. So let's go to it. Let me show you. Okay, I'm gonna open it very gently. I messed up. Wait, I think I need something to use so I can cut it out. Not actually cut myself, but like accidentally like cut the thing. My bad. That was so stupid of me. Okay, we're gonna open the box. Okay, that was so lame, but whatever. Bada bing, bada boom. Boys and girls, I give you the new iPhone 15 Pro. That's right, iPhone 15 Pro. Okay, we're gonna open it. I'm so excited. We're going to open it just like in YouTube people do. Voila! Here is the iPhone 15 Pro. It looks the same thing like last year, the iPhone 14, same thing. That's sick. And when I open it, look at it, it's so cool. It's so sexy, and it also comes with a UBC. Yeah, UBC. That's so sick. It also comes with instructions, so we don't need that. We also need a UBC charger. I just showed you before. So I got two. So that was my bad. Sorry, Dad, if I got another one like this. So I apologize. And I really hope you guys like the video. Subscribe me, and I'll see you guys in the next week. Adios.